Lesson number 2 is how to rank number 1 on Google. In previous videos, I told about 3 steps for SEO. In this video, I'm going to tell you some general points for SEO. You need to use correct keywords. You need to go for technical SEO, on-page SEO, and other website settings to optimize your website. Then you need to build authority. You need to build backlinks, and you need to increase your website score to rank higher on Google. For all these points, Educate has created SEO Ultimate Checklist. You will have to apply it step by step to get free traffic from Google. How to use this checklist? Here we have Google. Go to Google, type SEO Ultimate Checklist by Educate. Click on the first link. It's 100% free SEO checklist. Okay, here we have get the full free SEO checklist. You have to click this one. Download it. On page SEO step-by-step guide. This is Notion. A little bit slow internet, but okay, here we have the checklist. Okay, they have given tasks. Then when you have done, you have to click this one. And after every point of checklist, there is a guide link. If you can't understand something, just click this link and you will find a full step-by-step guide like this. So here they have explained how to set up Google Search Console. As you can see. So, and this application, this checklist is always up to date.